Good afternoon. Grabe Parang ako nag-offroad
Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel.
This is Liza.
And this is EJ. We're now here at Shepherd's Ridge Mountain View Resort in Santa Maria, Laguna. And of course, we have a guest in our vlog. And that is our baby Basky. So guys, let me just give you a room tour. We're staying at Faith Tiki Bungalow House. We have like a small porch here out front. May papayong. Pasok tayo. Hello! So yan. This is how small the room is. But it's fine. It's a good experience. So the air conditioning unit is actually a portable AC unit. On this corner you have two glasses, may patubig din sila. Is the bathroom. Okay, so that's the shower area, and then you have there the toilet bowl, maybe day. And there's a mirror here. Of course you have there the lavatory, towels. Okay, may water heater din ang shower. Yeah, that's our small room here at Shepherd's Ridge. It's good. It's a good room, I would say. And it's a good experience. Di ba, love?
Yeah.
Magandang experience.
Para kami magre-retreat. Yan yung unang impression namin dito.
Yes.
Kasi it's super quiet.
So sa labas, maririnig nyo lang crickets kanina. So what more maybe at night when it becomes dark, no? That's the... Ano nga ang tawag? Heart view. Ha? Uy, gumulong. So we are out and about and we are going to explore. It's actually 5 p.m. already. So dito tayo pumunta muna sa Heart View. Love. Basky seems to be enjoying. So
Marami lang antik sa baba.
marami lang hantik. Yung mga malalaki at na malalaki ba?
Oo. Yun.
Ayan. Oh, maraming langgam. So take care.
Kahit nabilang mo.
Ang cute. Sabi para kami nagte-trekking dito pa lang. Oh, bakit pa tayo magte-trekking? Tingnan mo. Ang gano'n.
Kaya nga okay na.
Ayan yung mga tiki house.
Sa mountains kasi sa beach.
Check lang natin yung tiki house.
Tiki-tiki kami kasama.
Ito yung mga tiki house. Malamok.
May muslit pala dito.
Ito yung may pakpak. Gusto mo na manok, Basky? Fried chicken or roasted? This is what they call the nest. And ayan, parang nest nga talaga siya ng ibon.
Ano humakbang?
Trained and smart.
Ito ang nadalay sa parang natakot.
Grabe sa steep ng mga daan dito. It's like we're trekking already.
We decided na hindi na kami magte-trekking tomorrow.
Dito pa lang mapapagod ka na.
Hiningal na ako
So
actually.
we'll just do some activities maybe. Like they have airsoft dito, target shooting. They have archery. They have ATV. Pero we'll see. Pizza is here. And tinikman ko siya. Sarap. Sarap ng truffle. So the truffle is really on top of the pizza and you just have to spread it. And then, instead of hot sauce, they have these honey and chili oil.
Kain tayo.
See, bon appetit. Bon appetit, my love. Ang sarap. It's so good. Let's try these minty grape smash. So, classified as one of their healthy drinks here at Shepherd's Ridge. Their restaurant is Filipino-Italian restaurant. That's why they have pizza. Yes. So they have Filipino food, of course, the usual. They actually have all-day breakfast in their menu. And then, they have pasta, pizza. Nag-order sana kami ng mozzarella sticks. Unfortunately, hindi siya available. Maybe we'll try it another day. Ang sarap. There's a hint of mint. I think it's at the bottom. And then, you have the grapes on top. It's a good combination, guys. Guys, nagbo-bonfire na kami with Basky.
It's Basky's first time.
S'mores na hindi toasted ang gagawin namin. So itong bonfire na to actually, this is just free. And if you want yung bonfire set na pang s'mores, then yun yung kinakailangan mo ng bayaran. Tapos if you want extra wood, then yun lang yung bayan. Okay, are you happy? Yes, Daddy, I'm happy. Thank you for bringing me here, Mom and Daddy.
Ay, parang ako.
Tawa ka. This is not artificial sound. Totoo to. Totoong crackling of firewood. What boundaries can we set to protect our relationship and communication from being damaged by technology? Edi
Ganito. Actually, ginagawa na natin.
or no gadgets while eating. Sige, no gadgets while eating.
Sige, let's start that.
Ayun lang guys, good night. Good morning guys. We woke up really early. It's only 6:02 to catch the sunrise. So makikita mo sa likod namin. Waiting for breakfast. Breakfast starts at 7 a.m. ends 10 a.m. Buffet breakfast daw kami today.
Exciting.
Exciting.
Sarap yun. Ikaw na lang mag-video. Pero pwede mo siyang ilagay. Measure mo yung para
Breakfast guys. Gutom na kami.
sulit.
Okay. Hi guys. I'm gonna try the archery. Set up ni Kuya.
Straight body yan akin lang. Tapos yung ulo lang po natin ang ating.
So dito pa ganito.
Yes po.
Okay.
Tapos ito naman po, nakadikit po sa ating ganito. So may pisngi po.
Mhm.
Tapos,
Pisngi.
pwede pong 3 fingers, Kaya punto, pwede naman po.
Mhm.
Pwede naman po lahat.
Mhm.
Pag release po,
Ganun
straight
lang.
your finger lang po. I-straight lang po.
Okay.
Tapos ito po, itong ating left arm, medyo twist po natin ng ganun. Kasi po pag tinamaan po ito ng string, sakit.
Masakit. Mga tira ko guys. Oh, isang bullseye ako. Ito mo yan. Airsoft naman tayo. So pistol lang yung kinuha ko. Yan ang mga i-hit natin target. Sana may ma-hit naman ako dito. Para hindi naman nakakaya. Yun. Okay, so billiards naman tayo ngayon. Say hi, love.
Ipapanggap kami marunong maglaro. Oh, shoot! Ganoon. Pwede tirahin yung block.
Ha?
Pwede tirahin yung block.
Hindi.
Yan o.
Hindi mo siya pwedeng tirahin. Kanina pa ako dinadayan itong kalaro ko. Tapos.
Sarap. Nanalo ako sa billiards.
Nalo siya isang beses. Ako 2 beses. Haha.
Ha.
It's 12:46 p.m. So, lunchtime pa lang namin. I think yung iba mga nag-check out na. Hello guys.
Kamusta yung mo kanina, love? Activity mo?
Ang saya. So I tried archery and airsoft. How are you enjoying our stay here so far?
It's very relaxing here and very serene. Hindi ako nag-activity because I chose na mag-rest lang to slow down. Yun ang theme ko ngayon. Si EJ naman is to celebrate and enjoy the facilities.
And kanina naglaro naman kami ng billiards. So when you're staying here, complimentary din yung billiards na laro. So you just go there as long as wala naglalaro. Basta first come first serve siya. If you want to book Shepherd's Ridge Mountain Resort, just go to their Facebook page or you can also email them. Ang sarap ng food nila.
Sarap ng food. Nagbaon pa kami ng few snacks pero hindi na rin talaga namin nakain. Kasi masarap yung food. May Italian, Filipino cuisine sila, love, right?
Yes.
Meron din silang plant menu. They're selling plants, different types of plants. So, yun. I remember yung snake plant, 150 pesos lang. So, mura yun. So,
Okay.
overall, yung vibes niya dito is Bali-inspired. Nasa paanan tayo ng bundok.
Oh.
So, talagang very steep yung mga daanan. Hindi ko siya i-recommend sa mga seniors natin kasi mahihirapan sila. Siguro kung mayroon man akong mako-comment lang na hindi masyadong okay is that yung daanan lang papasok dito. Yun lang. Kasi medyo as matatakotin na tao. Medyo malubak talaga. Off-road, 150 meters lang naman yung off-road niya, bumpy road. Pero kasi one wrong move mo, parang ang scary lang. One way lang siya. Mahirap pag may kasalubong ka.
It's a perfect experience for mga group of friends, family, of course, for couples. It's a perfect date experience talaga.
And if you have a fur baby, make sure lang na may dala kayong citronella. Kasi medyo, pag lalo na paggabi na, medyo malamok na.
Extra charge lang ang pet, pero very minimal lang. So, 500 pesos lang for small dogs. Oh, saan ka pa? We will end the vlog here and we hope that you enjoyed the video. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching. Sabihin nyo sa amin kung ano yung naging favorite ninyo dito sa video na to. Comment below, whatever it is that you find interesting.
Till our next vlog.
Till our next vlog, thank you so much.
Pwede po kitang interviewin? Cute-cute mo naman.